Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image using your iPhone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe down below. The first thing we're going to do is to open the Photos album on our phone. I'm going to select the picture that I wish to crop. So let's say I want to crop this image and I only want to keep the top part. I don't want to have this yellow part, so I'm going to be using this photo. Then right here at the bottom, you're going to have this icon with 3 different lines right next to the trash can. So go ahead and select it. And then you have the crop icon. It's going to be right here at the middle of the screen. And it's this little square with the arrows around. Go ahead and select it. Now you can go ahead and crop your image. You can play around with the corners. So I'm going to drag it a little bit up so I can remove this yellow part right here. And then I can also cut this part at the top. So the only thing you need to do is to move around the corners, and that's going to make your image bigger or smaller. Once you have the image ready and you have a size that you like, you only need to tap undone. And in case you want to revert your image and you want to go back to what you used to have, you can simply select the 3 lines again. We're going to select crop one more time. And then at the top, you're going to have the option to revert your image. So go ahead and select revert to original. And that's it. Now you have your old image back. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and thank you for watching.